Students, we are learning squares and square root. Children, I will tell you in this standard and squares and square root, especially through the division method, is a new concept to you. Therefore, my advice to you, please listen carefully. You have gone through the previous video, hope with a lot of concentration. Now, learn this video, learn through this video, pay attention properly. Till question number 3, I have solved it. All the problem I did not to solve because you children will be understanding, you will be able to solve. If not, then you will talk to me, I will definitely solve that one. I have taken question number 4. Again, a square root of some of the decimals. What will you do? You will find if it is a perfect square decimal or perfect square fraction. A perfect square decimal means, decimal digit has to be even number. Decimal digit has to be 2 decimal places. It has to have 2 decimal digits, 2 decimal places digits, or 4 decimal places digit, or 8 decimal places digit. Subsequently, all the even number of decimal digit it will have. In this case also, see, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 8 decimal places. Definitely, square root will be half of the decimal places. That means 4 decimal places. Okay, let us do, you will understand. Here it is how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal places. So, half of it is 3 decimal places. Okay, fine. It can be done in 2 ways. This decimal number can be converted into fraction. Definitely, denominator will be a perfect square power of 10. See, if it is 2 decimal places means denominator will be 100. So 100 square root will be 10. Subsequently, 4 decimal places, of power 10, definitely it will become 4 zeros, that will be divided by this one, then it will be 100. Could you understand? So this way it will go on. So you can convert decimals into fraction so that all the denominators are the perfect square of power 10, and you can find out the square root of the numerator. That itself will make you easy. Just I will do it. Else you can directly do it. I have done both the procedure. This one is equal to, square root of this is equal to, I have removed the decimal digit by dividing by this one by the power of 10. How many power of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 decimal places. Definitely, square root of both the fraction will be square root of the numerator divided by the square root of the denominator. Square root of the denominator means 6 decimal places become 3 decimal places. 3 power of 10. Third power of 10 means 1000. Here 6 power of 10. 10 to the power 6 it was. 10 to the power 3 means 1000. I hope you understood. Now you find out the numerator perfect, square root. How will you find out? You can go through you can solve it through your prime factorization method. You can solve it through division method. But I will tell you, it's a larger number. No, if you do it by division method, it will take less time. Division method, you learn it once again. I have done this one. See, what we will do, first step is pairing the number from right to left. 2, pairing the number. 2 digit is make a pair. 2 digit again make a pair. 2 digit make a pair. When digit is not there in pair, you make only 1. So on 1 digit make a dot. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Now after making that pair, you need to find out from the extreme left pair or the single digit square value. Which number square value is this? Which number square value is 1 or near to 1 but not exceeding 1, just like division. So 1 square value, 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Could you understand? Did it? Because this one square value you need to find out. Got dots, digit or the paired digit first. You do it. Now, what you do? Here subtraction, you have got 0. Next two pair, make it down. That is 0, 2. 0, 2 came down. 0, 2 came down. Okay. Now what will you do? This, whatever the number is there, that number unit digits will be added by itself. So here unit digit is 1 only. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here is 2. Don't consider this. This 0 and 1 comes later. Now what happened, now it became 2, then 2 is not going, because 2 is 2. If you are having 2 here, here 2 and here 2, then 1 you are multiplying means it will become 21, so it will not go. So 0, so next this pair can come down putting the quotient in the 0. Quotient 0. So next pair comes down putting quotient 0, that is 4 and 1 came down. 4 and 1. Now 241 is the number. Now as the 0 has gone in the quotient, 0 also will come in the divisor column also. So 0 has come down. So now what will you do? 220 is there. What number you will multiply by, what number you will put in the unit digit, and that number you will multiply with the whole number, so that it will come exactly this or near to this but not exceeding this. Definitely 201, 2 times you are multiplying means 20 was there. If you are putting here 2 and multiplying, then what will happen? 2 you are multiplying means 2 2s are 4, it will become 400, will not go, no. So definitely 1 you will have to multiply. 1 multiplied by this one, 1 multiplied by 1, 201 came. Could you understand me? Now unit digit added, so it became 202. 202 is the number. Up to here you have done. 41 has come down. Now next pair we do the subtraction. On subtraction you got 40. You got 40. 41 it was the 241 minus 201 is 40. So 40. Next pair will come down. Now unit digit you have done and it become 2. 202. Now see how much will you multiply with, put in the unit digit. If you put here 2 and if you are multiplying this, put here 2, here 2. If this 2 you are multiplying with whole number, then you will get exactly this number or near to this number. Exactly if you are multiplying, then you will get 4044. So exactly no remainder means square root of this number is 1012. This is quotient will be the square root. Okay. Now denominator square root, it is already 1000. So 1012 divided by 1000, it will become 1.012. Okay, fine. We will do the decimals one. If I will do it, I will not. I will do it. You listen and go through. You will understand better. Okay, decimals one. I am going to do it. Let this be 100. We fine. So we will do this 1.024141. Okay, pairing the number. First you are pairing the number. It is, this digit is not, so you have to put a dot. You make a division format. You find out the square value of this. Definitely 1 ones are 1. 1 square is 1. Okay. Next step is what? Next step will be, you are supposed to put it down. As the decimal digit is there, no? Decimal point will go there. Because you are taking the digit from the decimals, you will have to take the decimal in the quotient column. You have put in the quotient column the decimal digit. Now what will happen, next 2 digit will come down. 02 will come down, isn't it? If 02 comes down, then what will happen? This one unit place will be double. As I said to you, it will become 2. Now what will you do? Put some digit here and multiply the digit itself with the number you are creating. If you are putting 0, then 0 multiplied by 20 will become 0. If you have to put at least 1 multiplying that, then if you are putting 1 here, that number will become 21. 21 multiplied by 1 is 21 itself. Therefore, student, what will you do? Now, if you are multiplying, putting 1 and multiplying by itself, then it will be minimum 21. But it is not. It is 2. So what will you do? It will not go. It will not go, no? The 2 is smaller. So if you put 0 in the question, next pair of number will come down. Could you understand? Next pair of, put 0 here, question column, at the same time put 0 here also, because you cannot put alone there. Now 241. Now what number you will put here and what are the number formed multiplying, but the number itself will become near to this, not exceeding this. Exactly this will try. It will not. If you are putting 1 here, you see, and 201 into 1 will become 201 only. Hope you have understood. Now do the subtraction. It became 40, isn't it? Now see, unit number double, so 202 is the new number. Okay. Now whatever happen, you will put a digit here, and with that digit you will multiply the number formed. If you are putting 2 here, then here also 2, 2 into 2, multiplying, it will come near. But before that, put the next pair down. 4 1 is the last pair came down. You will find most of the time, if it is perfect square, no, it will definitely put some digit and multiply by itself. It will be exactly this. So see here, if you are putting 2 and that same digit will go in the question. If you are multiplying this one with 2, then it will become 4041. Exactly. So square root of this will be what? 1.012. Exactly this. I hope you have understood the division procedure. Okay, go through, you will understand better. Question number 6 will take, find the square root up to 2 decimal places. These are all very, very important, children. 2 decimal places means correct to 2 decimal places. Means you have to do the round up. So at least you need to have the square root value till 3 decimal places. So 3 decimal places, if you are making it, then 3 pair of this decimal digit has to be there. 3 pair of decimal digit, because on division, pair of number comes for finding out the value of square root, isn't it? So 3 pair of means 6 decimal places has to be there. So 99, can it be written with the 6 zero places? Any whole number after 99 definitely is having the point here, and 0, n number of 0 you can add. So I have put 6 zeros because I have to find out the square value till 3 decimal places, so that I can round up and make it 2 decimal places. Okay, fine. 99 has come. So it has gone. See, made the pair. First pair, second pair, third pair, and fourth pair. 99. Which number square value is near to 99, not exceeding 99, but not too less, near to 99. So 9 nines are 81. So 9 nines are 81 came. On subtraction you have got 18. Now 9 is the digit, unit digit, so 9 plus 9, 9 is the 9 added, so 18 is the number formed. Now what you do, next pair you put it down. As the decimal digit you are carrying, put the decimal here. Now next 20 has come down, so it became 1800. So here 18, what digit you will put here and multiply by the digit itself, so that it will become near to 1800. If you put 9 only, because maximum digit you can put is 9, minimum digit you can put is 1. So 9 only, because 9 ones are 9, and here it is 18, so 9 can go. So 9, if you are multiplying with 9 nines are 81, 9 eights are 72, plus 8 is 80, 8 carry over, 9 ones are 9 plus 8, 17. So 1701 it came. It is correct to this. If you are multiplying this one with 10, you can't. I say 0 you can't. So 9 only. So on subtraction you have got 99, then 0 0. Next pair of 0 came. So unit digit you have added, 9 plus 9 is, so 199 is the number, 98 is the number. Now what happened, here this what will go, what digit you will place here, so that digit you will multiply with, so that it will go near to 9099. You can multiply 9, 4. See, if you are exceeding 4, then it won't go, because 95, 19 5s are 95, plus 19, 5 8s are 40, 95 plus 4, it will be 99, it will be exceeding. Therefore you can't do it with 5. So next lesser number is 4. You have to multiply with 4. 4 has gone to the question column. 4 multiplied 4, 16. 4 8s are 32 plus 1, 33. 3 carry over, 3 carry over, 4 9s are 36 plus 3, 39. 3 carry over, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7. on subtraction you have got 1934. Next pair of 0 has come down. Now unit digit you have added, so it becomes this number. What digit you will place and multiply with this one, so that it will go near to it. If you find 9 only, it will go, maximum digit will go, so 9 will go in the question column. Then it came just lesser than this, maximum 9, so it has come this. You don't have to do the subtraction. So 3 decimal places square value is this 9.949. So 9 root over of 99 is equal to 9.949. 94 correct to 2 decimal places will be, this digit has to be 2 decimal places, means this is the digit, you have to correct it, round up. So next digit has, if it is 5 or more than 5, then this digit will be 1 up. Definitely it is 9 means more than 5, so it will be 1 up means 5. So 2 decimal places will be 9.95. I hope you have understood it. Things are very easy, only thing explanation is difficult, children. If you know the procedure, things will be easy. Now I will move on to question number 7. Here you have to find out. That's a very good question. I would like to draw your attention, dear students, because this is the question. Two things are involved. You haven't learned how to rationalize a denominator. Rationalization of denominator, you could have learnt it, then it would have been easy. That means denominator part has to be a whole number. Denominator you can't keep it in a square. So you will have to find out the denominator, which is a rational number, means P by Q format. Q not equal to 0, Q not equal to 0, and both are integers, that format. So root over value, definitely non-perfect square root over will be an irrational number. So we'll have to rationalize the denominator, means it has to be a fraction or a whole number. Usually it will become a whole number. So that aspect is there. And then finding out the square root value up to 2 decimal places. You have to find out the square root value of 5 up to 2 decimal places. I said you 2 decimal places means round up to 2 decimal places means 3 decimal places square root you have to find out. 3 decimal places square root you have to find out means the number has to be 6 decimal places. So that is what you have done. 5 is written as 5.60 to the right hand side after point. Then you find out the value. How will you do? That is very that is known to you. You have made the square of the number 20 again, and then 5. So you have to find out the square value of some number which is near to 5, not exceeding 5 is 2. 2 to the 4. Fine. Then on subtraction 1 came and this 20 came. Add the number came from the point. Point has gone in the question column. Now unit digit is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 is the number formed. What digit you will place and multiply by itself, so that it will go near 200. Definitely 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So it will become 84. If you put it 3, then 3 4s are 12. It will be exceeding 120 something. It will come, so it will not go. 126 will come, it will not go. So 2 will go. 42 into 2 is 84. So 2 42 is 84. Subtraction you have got 16. The next pair of 0 came. 3 if your now unit digit is added with 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 44 is the number. What digit you will place and multiply by itself, so that it will go near to 1600 as a square value. If you put it 3 only, 3 4s are 4. If you put 4 4s are 16, but 4 4s are 16 also, then 1 will be carried over. 4 plus 16 plus 1 17 it will become. So it will not go with 4, so it will go with 3 only. So 443 into 3 will become 1329. So 3 you have placed in the question column. On subtraction you have got 271. Next 0 came down. And the number become 446. 446. What will you put so that 446 was the number. Now if you multiply this one is 6 only, then it will become 26796, which is near to 27100, not exceeding 27100. So 6 will be the digit here, 6 will be the digit in the question. So finding out the square root value of 5, you got 2.236. You round up 2.236 to the correct to 2 decimal places. Definitely second digit is 3, and this one is 5, more than 5, 6. So this will become 1 up. So 2.24 will be the value, square root value of root 5 up to 2 decimal places, 2.2524. Now rationalization, second part I am coming. Denominator I will rationalize. What will you do? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square formula I will put. You have learned in your previous standard maybe. The formula is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is the formula. Here a plus b is given to you. 3 minus root 5 if you multiply, then it will become a square means 3 square plus root 5 square means 5. So 9 minus 5 it will become. But once you are multiplying with the denominator something extra here plus you are multiplying with this one minus a minus b. Same a minus b has to be multiplied in the numerator also so that the value remains same. So you have multiplied this one both with a minus b. Could you understand? The denominator becomes 3 square a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square, 3 square minus root 5 whole square, and then this one will become a minus b whole square, a minus b into a minus b, so a minus b whole square. So whole root over is this. You can make numerator root over is 3 minus root 5 whole square root over, and then this one a square minus b square 9 minus 5 because root 5 anything root over square means the base itself. Root over a is equal to root over a by 1 by 2. Root over means power half and square means power 2. Half and 2 if you multiply then 1, that means the base itself. So root over a square, square means a only, a to the power 1 means a. Similarly here root 5 square means 5 will be. Why not? Could you understand me? Root 5 square, a root over, and this is half and this. So it will become 5 half into 2. Half and 2 means 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5. Same thing here, and 3 square means 9. So see, denominator become how much? 9 minus 4, 5 is 4. Root over of 4 is 2. See the denominator how nicely it has become a whole number. So it will become 2. And this numerator, this whole power half into 2. That means a base itself is 3 minus root 2, 3 minus root 5. So root 5 value you put, you will find if on subtraction 3 minus 2.24 is equal to 0.96 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.38. This question you learn it nicely because this is the question of your standard class 8 of ICSE India 1. Now I will move on to question number 9, which is very very important sum as far as class 8 student is concerned. Some number is there, how much you will increase the number so that it will become a perfect square, how much you will decrease the number so that it will become a perfect square, what you will divide with the number so that it will become a perfect square, and what you are going to multiply with the number so that it will become a perfect square. For that, know both the procedure you need to know. For increase or decrease, you need to follow the division procedure to find the perfect square value of any number, and to multiply or divide, you need to do the prime factorization method to find out the perfect square value. First, let us do the division procedure. You have taken the number, pairing the number, and you have gone through. See, 1 is the single number left, so which ones are 1, fine, gone. 0, 3 came down, okay, fine. You have made it 2, it is not going. 0, 3 will not go because 2 is there. If you make at least 1, then it will come 21. It has to be 21 minimum. It is not 0, 3. So next pair of number will come down. To make next pair of number, you have to put quotient 1 0. Once you are putting quotient 1 0, and the 0 will come in the divisor column also. So 20 become the new number. What you are going to do so that it will become 368. If you are putting here 2 and 202, if you are multiplying it 2, it will become 404. So it will not fit here because it is 368. So one time it will go. So 201, 167 left. Now see, this 167 is extra here so that it is not a perfect square of 101. So 101 square value will become this number minus 167. So how much you need to decrease? 167. So second answer you got. How much you need to increase? For what you will find? You have got the 101 as question. So next number is what? 102. So 102 square value you see. 102 square value is as much? From there you subtract this number, then you will find how much you need to increase to make this number a perfect square. That is what we have done. What you have written down, 101 square is lesser than the particular number is lesser than 102 square. 102 square is equal to 10404. So 10404 minus this number, that is 36, should be increased, so that it will become the next number square value. So 36 will be the first answer. Second answer will be what I said to you, 167 should be subtracted from here, so that it will be the square of 101. So second answer will be 166. 7 should be decreased. Third and fourth answer, for that you have to find out the square root value through prime factorization method. See, you have done it, you got 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, then 1, 2 left over. So this as a product of prime factors will be 2 into 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 9 into 9. So how many prime factors are not in pair? That should be multiplied, or that should be divided to make it a perfect square. Here 2 is the unpaired number. See, here 2 is a pair, these 2 are pair, these 2 are pair, this is not pair, and this 9 is also pair. So by 2, if this number is divided, this particular number is divided, then it will become a perfect square. So, and if you multiply again 2, then 2 will be pair numbers, so again it will become a perfect square. So by 2, minimum should be multiplied, so that it will become a perfect square, and by 2, minimum should be divided, so that it will become a perfect square. I hope you have understood. Go through this video time and again to make you thorough. Otherwise, you ask me.